Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting video. Finally, Grok 4.5 is here, and I have been testing this brand new model inside Grok Build environment. Best of all, you can try it out completely for free of cost. The official claims from the team shows that Grok 4.5 is beating both Claude Opus 4.8 Max and Opus 4.7 Max. Looking at the independent SWE bench coding test, Grok 4.5 scores a massive 62%, coming in right behind Fable Max. On the terminal benchmark test, Grok 4.5 hits 83.3%. This is a huge achievement for long multi-step AI tasks. So let's break down exactly how they made it happen. Now you might be wondering how they pulled this off. This launch is a massive teamwork project between SpaceX and the popular AI coding app called Cursor. Cursor and SpaceX worked together on this release. Grok 4.5 used a ton of code data from Cursor to learn how to program properly, while using SpaceX massive computer server to do the heavy lifting. According to the developers, Grok 4.5 is their smartest model yet. It is built especially to handle difficult, long-running coding tasks, data science, finance, and complex office works. If you want to try Grok 4.5 free, simply come to this page. I will provide the link in the description, so no need to worry. After that, what you have to do is simply just copy this link here, okay, and go to your terminal and paste this link. What it will do is it will just download this Grok. In that meantime, guys, if you like this video, make sure to like it, share this video to everyone, and make sure to subscribe it. So finally it's done. It will take a little time from your side because I have already installed. Now what you have to do is simply just type Grok, okay. Once you type Grok, it will just like open code, it will open the server. Now what we have to do is, here you can see we are just using Grok 4.5 high. But to change the model or to switch the model, what you have to do is simply just type slash, and here you got multi options. Now here you can just use anything, okay, just like transcript or anything else. But if you want to check model, just click on it, and here we have only a single model, that is Grok 4.5. okay, so just close this model, or you can just hit enter to use this. Now to test this, just click on high to test is that how much fast working is it. So it takes around 1.8 seconds to work, and it replied hi. So yeah, it works perfect. And here you can see you have total of 500 k tokens, okay. And after that, after this part, you can't use this in free of cost, because you have to paid or you have to upgrade this part. So just focus on your work, okay. So now what I will do is, I want to build something, okay. Just paste this prompt, okay. Now you might think, what is this about? Okay, so I have created an app, that is Rapid, and I'm going to publish that. For that we need a website as well, so I'm going to test. In the meantime, guys, let me tell you about Rapid. So Rapid is a premium fitness tracking app built for people who takes their training seriously, log workouts, track personal records, and builds unstoppable streaks, all with a beautiful design interface that works even offline. With a built-in social feed, weekly leaderboard, and real-time friends activity, Rapid turns solo training into a shared journey. Whether you are a beginner building or a consistency, or an advanced athlete chasing PRs, Rapid adapts to your goal and keep you accountable every single day. So I hope you guys go and check this out, but it will be just available soon. So guys, finally it's done, and let me just approve this part, okay. Click enter, and here you can see now it's approving, and here all the details and everything is showing now. And here for creating this part, it takes my 26k tokens, and here you can see I have the location of my landing page. So what I will do is simply just copy this, okay, and go to my page and open this part. So guys, this is the website it creates. Okay, so it looks simple, but yeah, looks creative as well. Here you can see it tells you about everything and every stuffs, but yeah, it looks too simple because I think the prompts is simple. So guys, you can go and try it out, because now I understand why it 14 k tokens, because. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, make sure to like it, share this video to everyone, and subscribe our channel, and we will upload this type of videos, so make sure to check out daily. So guys, that's all about today's video, and see you in the next video guys. Happy coding.